I just want to say that I love you so much, my wife. Thank you very much.
Thanks, you. You want to dance the same? Take an special day, something.
Just be with me all my life, and thanks for being a good husband. Thank you. र अझै यो आफ्नो हस्बेन्ड र वाइफलाई चाहिँ शुभकामना सन्देश दिइसक्नुभयो। यसको अलावा कसैलाई जो शुभकामना सन्देश दिनुपर्दाखेरि यस्तै जोडीहरूलाई के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ तपाईँ?
Wish you all people, those who are getting married right now, so have a wonderful life with your couple.
Same here. I want to wish all the people who have attended our marriage, thanks for attending our marriage, and those who are to be हुन छैन उहाँलाई पनि मनले भित्रदेखि नै शुभकामना दिन चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू।
सम्पूर्ण जो अहिले म्यारिड हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूलाई शुभकामना।